In today's video, we'll be talking about some of the businesses that you can actually start with less than 50,000 naira in Nigeria of today. Cleaning business is a lucrative business that you can actually start in this 2014 with less than 50,000 naira. What do you need to start up this business with? You only need few items. The items are your buckets, your mop, your broom, your detergent. That's all you need to start up this business and you start making good cash. Yes. How do you source out your clients? You source out your clients by going out in your environment, telling the people that you're staying with that this is what I do. I render cleaning services. In case you need anybody that will be cleaning your home for you, I am there for you. Some people are looking for housekeeping services, people that will be coming on a daily or on the weekend to be cleaning their houses. Imagine you get this kind of work for like 2 or 3 houses. You now schedule the days that you go. In a week, in a month, you know how much you're making out of it. In this business of cleaning services, you can actually do it yourself or employ more hands to join you, especially when you go out there where they are building. Look for that contractor that is in charge of that building. Tell that contractor that you are into cleaning services, that you would love him to patronize you. Exchange contact with that person. Make sure that you have a good communication link between the both of you. Once the building is completed, they might call you to come and do the cleaning job for them. Yes, they can equally give your contact to the agents that will be renting the apartment for them. Yes, they can give your contact to them. That even when some people will rent, they might decide to still clean the house, they can still reach out to you to come and render the service. Yes. So in a situation whereby you have plenty cleaning work to do and you know you cannot be able to finish all of them as at when due, get in or a helping hand to join you. Another important one that you can actually start with less than 50,000 naira is laundry services. Yes, this laundry business, you can actually start it by checking out some people that are staying on the same environment with you. Reach out to those people that are in the same estate with you. Reach out to those people in your contacts, especially your WhatsApp. Your social media is equally an additional advantage to you for you to reach a massive client. When you reach out on those people, especially those people that stay around your estate, that you may find out there are working class people in that your estate or business minded people or business people who may not have luxury of time to do their laundries. Meet with those people, introduce yourself to them, tell them the services that you offer. As a beginner, give them a discounted amount. Yes, so that they will actually patronize you. So bring them to yourself by giving them a discounted amount so that they can actually start patronizing you. And again, another important one, make sure that you do not disappoint your clients. Deliver as at when due. That particular day that you people agreed on, make sure that you deliver on that particular day. Do not disappoint your customer and make sure that your customers are satisfied, which is the most important. As you are delivering those items back to them, let it be well packaged and neat. Yes, guys. So once you do this, your customer will be referring you to other people, and once they are satisfied with your services, they will give you more. They will call you for more. Again, what award do you need for these services? I believe every one of us has buckets in our homes. Detergent. If you don't have detergent, you can get that one. You have pressing iron in your home. So the only thing you need, I think, that you'll be buying out of that less than 50,000 naira is that they use in packaging those things. So make sure your packaging, your finishing is very neat. Another one is food supply business. Food supply business, there are so many food stuff that you can think of. You have rice, you have beans, you have oil, you have crayfish, dry fish, stockfish, and so many of them. You can actually decide to be selling one or two of this. There is yam. If you have contacts of anybody from Benue State, you can actually buy in bulk from them, will bill it to whichever city that you are staying and start selling at a cheaper rate. Or in that particular city that you are staying, you can go to the local market around that city, get those food items at a cheaper rate and resell. You can create a WhatsApp group and be posting whatever item that you have at hand. One that indicates interest, you can now send to them. Like when I was pregnant of my first baby, the hospital I was using for antenatal then, there was a particular nurse in that hospital that does that. So she now added us the pregnant women and that her WhatsApp group. So any one of us that needed any item, we indicate that she will supply. That's it. Your WhatsApp is a good place to advertise whatever you are doing. You not really start flowing at initial, but with time, people start patronizing you. Tell people within your vicinity, tell people at your working place, tell people around your community, around that place that you are staying, that you are doing this, and you start making money. Your WhatsApp status and you see people patronizing you. Another one is barbing business. Yes, you can actually start this one in your locality. Walk around different houses, different compounds in your locality. Tell them that you render this service. Then you can actually render them a home services. Yes, by doing home services, you go far. Where do you get your clients? Your locality. Where do you use your social media to market yourself? Yes, you only need few things to start up this barbing business. What do you need? In the market today, we have rechargeable creeper, so you don't actually need electricity nor generator to run this business. With just that rechargeable clipper and it's movable, it does not even have wire that will make it to be too bulky. Just get it after charging it. You get a portable bag that will be putting all your barbing tools inside. Just carry it. Dress corporate like you are going to an office. Walk straight. Introduce yourself to people around you, to people in the near. Tell them that you are into barbing business, that you render home services. By me looking at you, the way you dress, looking neat, looking corporate, they will say, yeah, this one knows what he's doing. They will now want to test your handwork. And once you render that services and your services is good and satisfying, they will recommend you to their friends. They will recommend you. Even the neighbor that you see you do the services on them might say to say, oh, it's come to mind once you are done here to come and do the same home service for me and my children. So with this, with less than 50,000 naira, you start up your barbing business. Another juicy one that every woman would like to practice is called hair business. Yes, by hair business, I don't mean you selling hair, selling any form of hair. The only thing that you'll be doing on this hair business is hair revamping of hair, rewigging, hair installation. You only need less than 50,000 naira to do all of this. Yes, in case you don't have those skills, with less than 50,000 naira, you can actually go and learn on how to do this. Once you learn how to do hair installation, wigging of hair, and revamping of hair, you are good to go. Post this on all your social media accounts. Even make friends. Yes, they will start patronizing you. It's as simple as that. The product that you'll be needing for this business is less than 20,000 naira. You get the product for revamping of hair. So guys, this is very busy. So nobody should dull or complain of what business am I going to start doing. Start is with as little as 20,000 naira. You are good to go on hair business. So don't stay idle and say, I don't have money to start business. 2024, things are very hard, things are very difficult. There's no money, there's no money. Yes, there is no money. We all agree, we all know that. But with less than 50,000 naira, you can actually start something and make money out of it. Yes, guys. So there's another important one. It's cooking. This one is actually the moving train. If you have the passion of cooking and you actually knows how to cook, emphasis on knowing how to cook. Yes, whatever you cook in your house, snap post on your status. Let people know that you are into this, that you can cook this. Your Facebook, your social media account is there to market yourself. Market yourself to your audience. Market to yourself to your clients. Let them know you can offer these services, especially the ones that you know you can do. They will now pay for these services. You are not spending anything to start up this business. Your customer will be the one to pay depending on how many liters of food they want, how many of protein that they want in that food. They are the one paying for it. You are not paying anything. You are not using your money to buy anything except for the cooker that you have already in your house and your cookware. With this, you are good to go. Your customer will be the one to pay for whatever you are using to cook for them. They are the one to still pay for the food itself. They are still the one to pay for the delivery of those food. So what are you waiting for? Don't sit down and say that you don't know what to do. Don't sit down and say that you don't know any side hustle to start to add to what you are doing. Don't sit down and say that you don't have money to start up any business. Do any of these business tips I have given you. Comment in the comment section whichever one that you started. There's another amazing one, gele tying. This one is for every woman. Yes, and we women, we know we always like to look classy. We always like to look gorgeous whenever we go for an occasion. We always want people to talk about us. We always want people to come and meet us and say, "Ah, girl, I like your style. I like your gele. In fact, I like your outfit. I like the way you are looking." Yes, if you know you like looking gorgeous and you only want your client to be looking gorgeous, then this one is for you, gele tying. Yes, this gele tying, you can actually start it with less than 50,000 naira. If you're a fast learner, you don't need to go and pay to learn this. Just on your YouTube, type gele tying. You will see so many styles on gele tying. You will learn it. Learn from there and start offering that services and start making money. But if you know you are not a fast learner, you always learn by what you see physical. You learn, then you now have to go and pay less than 50,000 naira and learn so many styles of gele. Imagine every weekend you have work of gele tying. And you know in Nigeria, we always do our all one base on the weekends. Imagine you have wedding on a Saturday where you'll be tying the bride, the bride's mom, the groom's mom, the ashebis and other people that will come for the wedding. Imagine how much you'll be making. Imagine you are tying for the 2,000 naira times number of persons that you tie in a day. Imagine how much you make with zero capital. Some people equally have vacation on the Sunday. The next day is still the next day is still Thanksgiving. You equally go and tie. Some people, some dedication on the Sunday, equally go and tie people dedicating their child, especially the mother. You tie her hair for her, and that is it. You start making this money without investing 1 naira, without adding any shishi from your pocket. Yes. How do you get your clients? Your WhatsApp is there for you. Always post it on your status, your services you offer, and start making that cool cash. Do that, make that money, and comment on the comment section if you have tried any of these tips and it worked for you. Also remember to subscribe, like, and share my video. Another juicy one is called dropshipping. This one is very interesting in the sense that you will not invest any money and start making money in this particular one. On this, you act as a middleman between the seller and the buyer. Yes. How do you make your contacts? You go out, reach out to business owners, go to big markets and big stores. Introduce yourself to them. Tell them that you want to market their product for them, that you want to sell their products for them. Some of them to their shop, they will ask you, are you into dropshipping? And once you said yes, on their own, they will now give you a sample from their phone. They have a clean sample already on their phone. They will now give you those pictures. They will equally allow you to make videos in their stores. So some of your buyers will actually be thinking that you are the one that have those big stores. No, some of these people that you see that is selling products on the Instagram, some of them does not even have a shop. This is what they are doing, and they will be making sales. Yes, once they allow you to make videos and give you those pictures, some of those clean pictures, and you start making money. Your social media is there for you to start marketing those products, and customer will start coming. How do you make your sales? Once a customer comes, the business owner will tell you the amount that he or she is selling his or her products. Then you now add your profits. Yes, that is how you make your own money. When a buyer comes, a buyer will come and ask you for a particular product. You tell the buyer the price. The buyer will now send money to you. You now send the money to the business owner, telling the person the product that you actually want to get from them. Once they send the product to you, you do your delivery. The delivery of those business, one, they deliver directly to the buyer on your instructions, or they deliver to you. If you wish to rebrand, you can rebrand. If you wish not to rebrand, they can deliver to you, review those products and make sure that it's actually what you ordered that they are giving you. Then you now send to the buyer, and that is how you make your own money. That commission that you added there is your money. The buyer is the one still paying for his or her way bill, and you will bill to them. If you have watched to this extent, you are the real MVP, and I love you for that. Please, if you want more of this content, don't forget to like this video so that you'll be seeing my content and you help me to grow. Also, if you have yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, and see you in my next one. Leave a comment on the one that you have tried, or any question that you want me to answer for you. Leave it in the comment section and I'll be right there to answer you. Bye.